is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, red and small. D is for date, the sweetest of all. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning fruits so joyfully. D, E, F, and G, healthy fruits for you and me. E is for elderberry, purple delight. F is for fig, so soft and light. G is for grapes, green or red. H is for honeydew, juicy when spread. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning fruits so joyfully. D, E, F, and G, healthy fruits for you and me. I is for Indian fig, prickly but fun. J is for jackfruit, weighing a ton. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. L is for lemon, don't wear a frown. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning fruits so joyfully. D, E, F, and G, healthy fruits for you and me. M is for mango, so juicy and bright. N is for nectarine, a peachy delight. O is for orange, round and neat. P is for pineapple, tropical treats. Q is for quince, not easy to find. R is for raspberry, tart and kind. S is for strawberry, sweet as can be. T is for tangerine, citrusy spree. A, B, C, come sing with me, learning fruits so joyfully. D, E, F, and G, healthy fruits for you and me. U is for ugly fruit, funny name. V is for velvet apple, rare but fame. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. X is for digwa, a melon well fed. Y is for yellow plum, golden and bright. Z is for zucchini, green and light. Now we've sung from A to Z, fruits are tasty, come sing with me.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.